Hi guys, welcome to Friday night. I realize it's late, but I was bored, and then tomorrow I'm not going to have the opportunity to film at all. I have a huge project I'm working on. In the morning I'm going to go get the aquarium seeds. I got grass ready to plant. I got all this stuff ready to plant, and then I bought aquarium gravel. I was thinking 5 pounds is a lot of aquarium gravel, but it's not when you consider this, how tiny that gravel really is. So I'm going to the post office tomorrow, pick up the seeds, and then tomorrow when we go to feed our cattle, we have all the sand and all the gravel in the world. So I'm going to go take an old colander that we have to shake the sand, separate the sand from the little gravel, and then I'm going to have a bucket of sand and a bucket of gravel, and we're going to come back and do it. But today I had the opportunity to work on something really cool. I have to upgrade the book page a little bit, and I will show you why here in just a second. I don't have all of my glue or anything like that just yet, but I will get there. So this is what I made today, and in this box is this little gem, and I've got 2 sources of inspiration for this today. This little book page was Pam at the Paper Outpost idea. So what I did was I followed her instructions, so go see her on Pam at the Paper Outpost, and then I inked it. So I inked it with 2 different, that's the actual aging of the book pages. This is inking, and then I ran it through my gears, my steampunk embossing folder, and I got this, and I super liked it. And then this is one of paper flower, and I'm going to show you how to make these. This is also somebody else's idea, but if you notice, I ran it through that same embossing folder. So I've got this to go on here, and then I've got these little gears, and I'm hoping actually to find a really good gear in this package because the color is better, much better. Well, this isn't bad, but do you see I'm going to plop that there. I don't like that little keychain, so that's, oops, boy, I'm losing everything. That's the only part I don't like about it, is it's got that little place on it to, it's a charm, so it's not really meant for this. So let's see how these look. Look how tiny that is. Little wristwatch. There we go. Isn't that cool? These are all clocks. So anyhow, I got an idea. So I'll try one of these. These may work after all. And I think I have some in the dark brass somewhere. I got a bunch of these. So I think I'll just plop one right there in the middle. Just like that. And then that one's pretty small. Let's see if we go a little bigger. Who'd have thought we would be... This one's a little bit bigger. Not much. Let's see how this one looks. Kind of want it to look like a flower, but be steampunk. There we go. That one will work. Okay, so I would rather if it had been that coppery or brass color, but that's what we got. So I made several of these. This one I'm actually, like I said, gonna glue on there. So then I'm gonna set this one aside because that's it. That's all I'm gonna do on that one. And then I made a purple one with, well, it's actually book page with a little bit of bling, but I dropped my I dropped my bling inside the glue, and it kind of ate up the shiny factor, so I'll probably keep that one for me. So I made some more of the brown ones. And again, what I'm going to wind up doing is putting the little gears on the brown ones. And then you can see the petals. These are the petals, and they're all embossed. And so all you do is fold it in half, fold it in half again, then open, fold this side down. And your book page kind of has to be, it can't be really old brittle, or it won't work. So then you have that. And then I just ink the edges. I ink all the edges, and then I glue it down to a flat circle all the way around. And then you can, your imagination will take you wherever you want with that. Okay, so I got that, and I'll get that done. I'm actually going to get that done here in just a few, and I'm going to do several more with different cogs. All right, that's what I got going on. Okay, and then I'm going to make some with this paper. It won't be stamped though, because these will be a little bit bigger. These will be bigger. They don't have writing on them. And so then I'll run them through the embosser. I have some dragonflies, and then I have, let me see if I can find anything I wanted to keep tonight. I actually cut out some dragonflies, and of course they're not showing. I hate one of these stuff. Here they are. Found them. So anyhow, the dragonflies, after I ink them and stuff, I will embellish them with dragonflies. So that, my friends, was a lot of fun. And I'll probably put some book page and some other stuff and ink it. So that I'm going to do, but I'm not going to do it tonight. Going to get that done. So thank you very much, Pam at the Paper Outpost, for the great idea. Okay, and then I got this paper at the thrift store. And this paper actually makes really good seed packs. Okay, so I'm probably quite a ways off. Yeah, I'm not center. I need to bring this one out. This is just an example, guys. Just an example. Bring this one in. Okay, and then I folded it. Oops. I tore it. And then I glued this end over. And I trimmed these corners. Glued all of that down. Then I folded this piece over. Folded that piece over, and then I cut that center out. And then I have all of this glued down. Trim these edges. And remember that this piece is actually glued. It's not way off kilter like that. Okay, voila. And then I just inked the edges all the way around. And when I do my next video, I'll show you the finished piece. But then look at that. You got this nice little seed pack from that one piece of paper. Okay. And then this guy. My husband made this paper press or book press for me. And I actually put in here dyed paper from when he had bought me roses from, I want to say from either Mother's Day or my birthday. Maybe Mother's Day. But either way, I said to myself, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to boil the rose petals, because I've heard everybody talk about making flower dyed paper, and that's what I did. And then I put it out in the sun to dry. Sorry about this, guys. I put it out in the sun to dry, and I got what you're about to see. And I'm going to take it loose enough to pull my paper out. So I'll show you before what the paper kind of looked like, and then after. So after I smashed it, and this is just kind of a, look at this, I didn't get all of it, but anyhow, this is kind of a pale yellow, kind of hard to see, but it's beautiful paper. I'm definitely going to use it so you can see more in my journals. But this thing works pretty good. And he's been working in our carport building. And the paper, when I put it in there, looked like this. So I just straightened it out, slid it in, cranked it down, and voila, I've got instant paper press, book press. So I'll be putting this to good use. Anyhow, so I appreciate you guys joining me on a late Friday night or Saturday if you're seeing this. And I'm going to hop over to my Fox House Creations channel and do a quick video over there tonight. Oh, I do have one more thing, but I'll show it to you. This is a kit that got sent to me by a Facebook group. And it's kind of a challenge, and they call it CAKE. I don't know why, what that acronym is for, but I've got to use all of this plus this. It says how to use your CAKE kit. Oh, create and keep event kit. Make a pocket and card using the items you find in this envelope. You must use at least 90% of the items you're sent. You may add items of your own personal stash as you like. Once you're finished, please post a photo of your finished tag in the photo album created in the group with a picture of the kit you received on it. So I'm going to have to take a picture of the kit, and then I have to post it by August 14th. So I'm thinking I will probably work on this tomorrow, because I also have to make 2 fabric tags and 3 embellished lunch bags. So that's what I'm going to be working on tomorrow, and hopefully I'll get that all done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Keep subscribing. Bye guys.